today I'm going to be doing a set using this polygel kit from Ohuhu. So here's the colors you get. This is like instructions, what you get in the kit, how to, Okay, so the kit comes with a lot of stuff. Like you can see here, there's like nail clippers and cuticle clippers, cuticle pusher, everything you need to do polygel nails except for the lamp, and tons of colors to choose from. Over here there's 4 glitters, top coat, base coat, forms, solution, everything that you need. So today I'll swatch all the colors, but I think I'm going to be using these color changing ones and the clear, and I'll show the glitters real quick. There's this holographic one. I'm going to be using that today. There's this rose gold one with some hollow in it too. Then there's this one, which is kind of a purple. I'll open it up because it looks hollow on the bottom, but it's actually, it's this very pretty purple holographic glitter. Lastly, there's this teal blue fine glitter. Okay, so I'm not actually going to swatch all of them, but I will show you the colors just in the tube. I'm going to swatch the last 4 because they're color changing, so we can see that in the lamp. So here is number 1, and it's a white. Here is number 2, and it's like this sheer purpley pink mauve color. Here is number 3, and it's a light pink. Here's number 4. It is a nice peachy nude color. Here's number 5. It is more of a yellower nude. Here's number 6. And this is an even lighter pink. Here's number 7. It's this nice brown nude color. Number 8 is clear. This looks like a pretty clear to me, so that's nice. Then for the 4 color changing ones, I'm just going to use this little piece of paper from a nail form. So this is number 9. Nice rosy pink color when it's cold. This is number 10. Kind of a sheer version of that last one. 11. Kind of an orangey clear color, little pink I think in there. Number 12. Is kind of the opaque version of that last one, with a little bit more pink in it. So now I'm going to just cure that for 60 seconds so that we can see what the color change looks like. Okay, so the opaque ones just go to like a white. This number 12 is kind of yellow, white, off-white, and then these 2 are more clear. These ones kind of go light pink, these 2 go kind of more yellow. So that's cool. Now I'm just going to, I already put on some top coat so that I can pop these off later. We kind of filed them so that they're straight at the top. They're gonna look like that. So off camera I'm just going to put these on. Okay, so I now have the tips on, and I'm going to take the Ohuhu base coat and just go over all of these so that the polygel sticks pretty good to the, because I'm not buffing this tip or anything. So adding the base coat back also helps make a nice transition from the nail bed to the nail tip. I'm going to cure these for 60 seconds. Okay, so I've cured the base coat and I changed my mind. I'm actually going to use the rose gold because I think that looks pretty with these, and there's hollow in it too, so yeah, I'm going to use the rose gold with these 4 color changing ones. And okay, so I got a paper towel and I'm going to use their brush, which has one side is the spatula, which I'm not going to use, and one side is the brush. I'm going to start with number 10, which is the dark pink. Clear, more jelly one in my thumb. That might be too much, but let's just see. Because I'm also encapsulating the glitter, so I don't want to have too thick of a first layer of color here. Okay, so now I'm going to take the rose gold glitter. I'm going to take this little art brush with a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it. And I'm going to just dip it in the glitter and just start placing some on. That looks good enough to me. I'm going to just lightly reshape it a little bit anywhere that might have gotten bumped. Then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So you can see the color change here. It looks really pretty with the glitter. And I'm going to take just a little bit of the clear polygel and put it on top here. Just a thin little layer to encapsulate it so that I do not file into it later. Okay, now I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds and then I'll just speed it up so you can see the application of the rest of my nails. so here are the nails with all of the application. I'm gonna go off camera and file and buff these down and then come back for top coat. Okay, so I filed up the nails, and this one's starting to pop off a little, but that's okay, they're supposed to. Now I'm just going to take their top coat. So, this was fun to do, but it's not what I normally do. I normally do more colorful, crazy nails, I think at least. But they're still fun because they change colors, but they're not anything crazy. But yeah, they're super pretty. I'm just going to cure these for 90 seconds. So I just finished curing these, and I thought that I would mention that this kit, Ohuhu, actually sent it to me. If I didn't mention that already, they sent it to me. And I'm also going to show clips of these in cold ice water and hot water, so you can see the different colors. I think I personally liked the nails in the warm water when they're all like white and clear, because it just made the glitter pop and it looks really pretty that way. But comment down below which way you guys like. Did you like when they're all white or when they're all pink? If you like this video, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!